Hi everyone, my name is Jurga. I am the owner of Lanphier Day Spa in Darien, Connecticut, and today I wanted to share with you my morning skin routine. Please note that I do change things up, and that is usually based on the season. It's based on my skin needs and depending on what is happening with my skin. So now that we're already going into the fall season, and soon the heating season will be starting, I know that I already will be looking for the products that has more moisture, more hydration, because my skin usually becomes very thirsty during the winter times. So let's get into it. I also want to share and be transparent. I'm almost 47 years old. I am very happy with my skin. I've been taking good care of my skin over the years. There were the times when I wasn't protecting my skin in the past, and also after becoming a mother, I do have some of the melasma blemishes all over my skin, which is like little brown spots. So I'm also always trying to be very careful to protect my skin and stay away out of the sun. So let's start. So I start my morning as usual with a face serum, and at this season, I'm using a Dr. Dennis Gross serum called Stress Reduce Super Serum. I'm gonna add a detailed description of all the products that I'm using today, including the prices, that in case you will be interested in something, you will know where you can get it. So serum is applied. I just put a little bit in my hand, and we were taught that to put the serum with a dapping motion, sort of press into the skin. So my skin currently was clean, I had nothing on it, and I'm just putting serum as my first step. Don't forget your neck and the chest area. So once the serum is all absorbed, the next step is the eye cream. And same thing, at this season, I'm using a Dr. Dennis Gross eye cream called Fill Repair Eye Cream. The amazing feature about this cream that it has this pointy dropper. So if you are the only one who using this cream, you can go directly on your skin and just add like little dots around, and then you're gonna use your ring fingers to go around and distribute that cream all around your eyes. Once the cream is distributed around the eyes, your skin is ready for the moisturizer. Currently, I'm using Dr. Dennis Gross, a vitamin C lactic moisturizer. Amazing thing about this cream that it's not just nourishing, hydrating, it's also brightening. It's also very lightweight. You also can use that for the morning and for the evening, and it has a lot of amazing features. Once again, I'm gonna add all the descriptions underneath of the video that you would know exactly what this cream does. So all of my creams, I use the little spatula. I just choose not to dive into with my finger, not to bring the bacteria inside the cream. So I just take a small amount, distribute on my skin, and then massage into it. I am also the type of person, if there is something that I can skip or combine, I will be the first person to do that, because I'm trying to simplify my routine. I'm trying to make my life easier, not more difficult. Who needs additional steps in their lives, especially when it comes to the skin routine, right? So this is where it goes. Another step, which is my time saver. I will be using a Colorescience Flex sunscreen, which is also moisturizer, which is also tinted moisturizer, which works as a liquid foundation, as a concealer at the same time. So for the show purposes, I'm gonna do on the half face that you could see the difference that it does. So as you can see, if I come from close, I have like little blemishes, little brown spots, and I don't like a lot of makeup. I don't like my face to look cakey. So this sunscreen, the tinted sunscreen, it gives me everything that I'm looking for. It gives me a little bit of coverage. It gives me a little bit of concealing. It gives me protection. It has 50 SPF and it's a mineral sunscreen, which is really awesome. It lays on your skin very nice and smooth. And the best part that it adapts to your skin tone. So watch what it does. It first goes on your skin white. So I just drizzle a little bit like that. And watch what's gonna start happening when I start dabbing into my skin. See how it's changing the color? And it's adapting to my skin tone. And conceals my under eyes. See this and that? It literally blurs out everything and makes it so smooth, so nice that right after this, I can proceed with my makeup because it already blurred out all imperfection. It gave enough of coverage, but it's also buildable. So if I would want more coverage, I can go and add another tiny layer and I can start building another layer. Then it will become more covered, less see-through, and it will give you that flawless skin without much effort. Look at these two sides. And another product that is from Colorescience, it's called Glow. Think of it as a glow in a bottle. So often what I do, I mix my sunscreen or I just simply layer it by adding tiny little dots. So this is Glow. And I just dab it in the skin. A little bit on my nose, a little bit on my chin. I'm gonna finish the next side later, but for the show purpose, I'm doing just one side. And look how beautiful, glowy, just a soft shimmer, just enough not to look too overdone. It just gives that flawless skin coverage and concealing under the eye. So from here, I would proceed by adding my dry powder, my eye makeup, my lips. At some point, I'm gonna put the video for the makeup, but this is how my skin routine looks like. Like I said, I'm gonna add all the descriptions of the products that I used underneath of this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask us and we will make sure to answer it. If you are interested in any of these products, you can stop by and visit us at Lanphier in Darien. We are located at 20 West Avenue in Darien. We look forward to seeing you. I'll see you at the next video.